Today, we chase 3 iconic flavors. No shortcuts.
3 stops, 1 pallet. Let's go.
Fresh off the grill, 2 please.
First, the market tells you what's local. That aroma? It's the city's secret handshake.
Here are your noodles. Thank you. Come again.
Quest 1, the legendary 2 bowls.
Cho một phở khô.
This bowl is meant to be stirred, not sipped.
Coat every strand, then it clicks.
Sweet, salty, smoky, and clean. Every motion here is muscle memory.
Quest 1 completed. Next, something bolder.
This is the dish locals warn you about, then crave.
They all say the same thing. Go easy on the chili.
This is comfort food, just with extra attitude.
Now for the smoke finale.
Just enough char, keep it tender.
This dip is the whole story.
Salty, citrusy, and wild. Ready? They are fresh off the grill.
After all that smoke and funk, breathe.
Next, we tie the flavors into one final memory.
3 flavors. Now, let's connect them. Same trio. Heat, sour, herbs.
Electric salty sour promise.
This is how Pleiku wakes food up.
The air feels so fresh here in the evening.
I agree. It's much better than the city. Look at those colors. Nature breath before night food.
Night in Pleiku is a different menu.
Try the sweet potatoes. They are fresh from the mountain. The corn is very popular too.
Smoky, sweet, perfect between quests.
They teach with smiles, not rules.
This smells incredible. I know, look at the skewers. Let's try that one.
Night orders come like waves.
One dip, instant Highlands.
Had plenty of these greens. Trust me, it's the local way to get the best flavor.
Thịt nướng đây.
Cho tôi 2 xiên.
Coffee here tastes like the air, bold.
Cool air, warm stomach, perfect.
Dry noodles. Bold broth. Smoky beef.
Salt plus lime is the common thread.
What? Pick one. If you had to pick one, what's yours? Pleiku, see you in the next bite.
Round 2. Let's see the craft behind the flavors.
Sớm thế. Hôm nay bán gì chưa?
Mới dọn hàng thôi.
Bác.
Bà khỏe không?
Prep starts before the first customer.
Ngồi đi.
In Pleiku, kindness comes first, then the bowl.
seconds matter here.
Two bowls, one complete idea.
They always say, add a little, then listen to your tongue.
Make sure to toss the noodles vigorously from the bottom up so the sauce coats every strand evenly.
Acid turns warmth into clarity.
And that's the last one, extra herbs. Get it while it's hot.
Now the smoky finale, starting from raw thyme and sun.
Salty, tangy, and surprisingly bright.
Flip once, let the smoke do the work.
Pleiku flavors don't rush.
Different dishes, same Highland DNA.
Come on in, best sizzling pancakes in the city. Wow, this is incredible. The flavors are amazing.
Definitely the best meal we've had so far.
Dry bowl for flavor, soup bowl for comfort.
Bold doesn't mean messy.
This dip is unforgettable.
Next, my top pick, and why? Why?
Time to crown one bowl.
Not the one you think.
This dip is pure Highlands.
smoky. Then electric.
Ngon tuyệt vời ông mặt trời. Đảm bảo hài lòng.
Winner, bò một nắng.
Most daring, bún mắm cua.
Same toolkit, different stories.
Air makes flavors feel sharper.
Pleiku, comfort, funk, and smoke.
That's the Highlands signature.
If you try one, start here.
Comment your pick. I'll read all.
Ai phở không? Phở ngon đây.
Until the next